Hey, hi, hello! Wow, it has been a while. If you've been here for a long time, welcome back! And if you're new here, I'm Teen and I'm so excited to start this YouTube journey again! So excited to be back! A lot has changed in my life. Sobrang daming changes since I last posted on this YouTube channel. I got married. I'm now a mom to a beautiful little girl named Aiko. I found passion in DIY crafts. Meron kaming small printing business. We have a small greenhouse. We are living in the middle of the rice fields. And we have a fish pond here dito sa aming backyard. So, ang dami. A lot of things has changed and I am excited to talk about these things on this channel. I just want to catch up with you all, share what's been going on in my life, and talk about the exciting new direction of this channel. It's raining hard, so I don't know if you can hear me, but I'll still try to vlog. Even though I'm still into beauty, makeup, I am now more into creating crafts, DIY gifts, other souvenirs, and I found passion in gardening. Akalain nyo yun, akala ko wala akong green thumb, pero we've harvested a lot and I want to share those harvests with you guys. I just miss making content and I'm now back in YouTube and I'm just so happy to be here. You can expect a mix of content about the printing business that we have, the garden and greenhouse that we have, and little bit snippets of motherhood, becoming a mommy, how I take care of my child, all the crazy stuff. So if you're into that, stay tuned. So yes, this channel is officially getting a fresh start and I would love for you to be a part of it. Thank you again for coming back and watching my videos. If you are into all things creativity, gardening, home life, just real everyday moments, stay tuned. Stick around, keep in touch. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of content you want to see. Do you want to see DIY crafts, motherhood content, gardening tips? I'd like to hear from you. Please comment them down below. And don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. And I will see you again next week. Bye-bye!